guys, it is me, and today actually is today, so we're gonna play Fidget Toy 3D. Now this is fidget toys, like all kinds of fidget toys. We're gonna be playing 10 fidget toys. Yes, 10 fidget toys. So the first one I'm gonna go with is Pop It. I forgot these ads were on, but at least we can play with the Poppets. Look how satisfying this is. So satisfying. Or you could just do this. You know how I did that? Just press 3 fingers on it, and then you're gonna do it. Yeah, you're gonna press it. Or you could just play it with one hand. Or you could just slide it. I think I wanna go with... Oh, there's a unicorn one, there's a duck one, owl one. All kinds of them. Oh, I have these kinds. I have this teddy bear kind. So much fun to play with. I used to have a pineapple one, but yep, it's gone. Going in the trash can. Okay. Later. So that was the first fidget I played. Oh, Simple Dibble. Let's try Simple. Oh no! Are you kidding me? Sorry guys, I can't help these ads and everything. I mean, like, so annoying. But at least we went to the Simple Dimple, right? Do you like Simple Dimples? Comments down below. But sometimes videos cannot comment, so either way, I don't have my face cam on. Sorry. Maybe in the next video I will do that. Put my face cam on. Oh, this is so great. It feels like holding a Simple Dimple instead of a phone. Just imagine that. Gosh, these ads are so annoying. Literally, like, so annoying. Okay. Oh, Dimple. Guys, that is so loud. I do have a dimple, but it was a Among Us one, so I hadn't recorded this in a long time, and I decided I want to record it. I know this is a fidget video game channel. Yeah. Oh, they have a palette one. I didn't know there was a palette one. I didn't know they even have this created like that. This is so weird. They have a... Ooh, that looks so realistic. So guys, sorry that was an ad. I know these ads are like really crazy. So, yeah, I'll put it right there. Okay, we already went to 3. Now it's time to go with 4. A dimple digit. Do you know what this is called? A, a dimple. B, a dimple digit. Or C, a poppet. We have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you pick A, you are wrong. If you pick B, you are correct. If you pick C, you are wrong. Because this is a dimple digit. It's not a simple dimple. It's a dimple digit. I do have a double digit. No. We only went to 4 fidgets. Oh, a pea popper. I don't have a pea popper. Yeah, I'm going to be playing with Emmy. They have like different faces. It's so cute. I like the middle one the most. I'm trying to press 3 fingers on all of them, but I guess that won't work. Whew. Oh, is that cute? Whoa, that's cute. I like it. That is cute. Okay, 5 fidgets. We're gonna play 5 more, and then we are done. Which one I want to do? Oh, I want to play this one. I really want to play with it. Oh, let's play 2 players. Okay. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dang it. 7. 1, 2, 3. Actually, no, I want to play. Dang it! These ads are so annoying. Ugh. I wish I could turn off the internet, but if I do that, then my recording will be gone. Well, that was a waste of time. Now I have 4 more to play with. What should I play with? Oh, squishies. We could try squishy. Look at the face. Let's try the head. Look how big the nose. Oh my gosh, this is so big. What about this one? Yeah. Let's make him have a big tummy. He has a big tummy now. That's so cute. What about this one? Yeah. He's like, gimme, 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 what happened to my eyeball? Well, it kind of looks like a heart. Let's try this one. It's like, high five, high five. Oh, this cute mochi. It's like, ow, what's wrong with my head? I have a big old ear. I have 2 big old ears. Did you saw that? That has 2. Oh my gosh, the nose is so humongous. I'm gonna try with the eye. Ooh, dang, that's a big old eye. I think this is supposed to be a mochi, like, oh my gosh, a hamburger one. Oh, this one's so cute. Let's try it on the face. That looks like a lion. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, each time there's an ad, I'm going to pause this. Okay, we have 3 more to play with. Oh, stress balls. Let's do the stress balls one. I want to try this. Ooh. I rate this a 10 out of 10. I literally can't feel it. But I can touch it. Literally, like, touch it. I'll rate this 1,000 out of 10 because it's my favorite color. Ooh. I like this one. It's so good. 1,000 million out of 10. No. Now we have 2 more to do. Let's do this fidget cube. Let's see. Wait. I'll do the camouflage one. Oh my gosh, my favorite one. I guess this one is my most favorite one. Okay, 2 more. I guess it's 2 more. I don't know. 2 more. I like it. Ooh. 1 more and we are done. Oh, slime. No. Sorry, guys. What about this? This one looks like ants. Like ants in the slime. It kind of looks like it. This one looks like in a cave. This one looks like the stars. This one looks like the seed. And this one looks like cotton candy. What do I rate this? I rate this an 8 out of 10 because it looks... What about this one? Oh, I like the color. I'll rate it a 9 out of 10 just because of the color, light color. I would rate this a 2 out of 10 because I don't like the color, how it looks. It just looks so weird. I rate this a 0 out of 10 because this one looks disgusting. I rate this a 10 out of 10 because it's my second favorite color and I love fluff slime. Anyway guys, that is all for today. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye guys.